guys, I had a dream about this recipe or a vision, whatever you want to call it, and I got all my ingredients listed, and we're going to put it together and see how it turns out. Okay, so I got me some apples. I sliced those up kind of in quarter pieces if you like. Then I steamed the apples in some butter, a stick of butter I'm going to make my crust with. And look at that beauty. And I am blending the crust, the cookie cereal. And I'm laying the crust down. Forming it nice and neat, nice and tight. If you guys don't like the little rings in the crust, just slightly pat it with. Now this is the cake mix, guys. So I added the oil and the water. I followed the directions on the cake mix box. I added everything except for the eggs, okay? And you just stir that up until everything is incorporated. Now, time for the fun part. I put my apples inside of my Biscoff and Cinnamon Toast Crunch crust. Now that looks so good. And there, we're gonna pour the batter right on top. Don't mix it. Now, if you want to use half the batter, the whole batter, everything I did today was kind of like trial and error. And here I am. This is some cinnamon toast, 35 minutes on 350. This is the end result. Now see how you can easily make it. The taste, you guys, of this, I would give it a 10 out of 10.